Hey everyone, Konstantinos with Konstantinos Tech here. Today we'll be looking at the Halo Lock wallet stand from ESR. This is going to be my first MagSafe compatible wallet for my iPhone. I'm a little nervous to try it. I've always been a little hesitant to delve into the MagSafe wallet market, but let's give it a shot. Shout out to Jerry, everything with the unboxing knife. Do a little unbox. Pull that out. And here we are. So, initial impressions, let's pull it out here. Cool. It is a little bit of a cheaper feel than I anticipated. It was supposed to be like just a black leatherette type of feel. Um, it looks a lot slimmer than I thought. I elected to go with the wallet stand over the Halo Lock with Find My compatibility because I did not love the fact that it carried fewer cards and the kind of pop socket esque thing to hold it. So I chose this one. Also because I heard that you can hold more cards. So it looks like you can have one card in there with a little indent to push upwards. MagSafe ring with the identifier for direction. Let's open that up. It's a pretty stiff opening. That's surprising. It feels pretty strong. We have another card for a license there, another card slot there. The packaging says that this can hold 3 cards. Oh, and there we go, it can stand on its own. It says that it can hold 3 cards, but some comments said that you can get upwards of 4, but 5 is pushing it. So we'll see how this goes. Let's get it set up on my phone. Okay, so I'm going to be attaching the ESR Halo Lock wallet for the first time, and nice snap. It's a pretty strong magnet. It said on the website that it was several times stronger than the standard MagSafe one, and I wasn't sure if that was true, but it's pretty strong. It's not that it took a little bit of force to actually remove it. Um, wow, that's impressive. And there you can see, use like a stand. There we go. Let's get some cards in it and see how it goes. Also, leading up to this point, I've been using this Herschel just card holder with a spot for some money for maybe a decade. Um, I absolutely love this thing. Ever since I left using a traditional wallet and I got this, I have not wanted to switch. I have not found other products that have been this good. I have tried metal ones. They leave indentations in your jeans and things like that. And this holds, I think I carry a total of 8 cards. So this is what I'm competing with. So I've managed to set up this wallet stand. I have a total of 4 cards in there, including my license, 2 credit cards in here, and one last card here. Initial impressions are that it is a tight squeeze. When I try to get this credit card out, I had to take it off of my phone to kind of force it out, and then I had to bend the card a little bit to actually move it. That may change as it wears a little bit, but in the meantime, I have the essentials. I like how it is a kickstand. It feels pretty sturdy. That is the total width. It's not that much. You can hold it comfortably in one hand. And yeah, I am going to test this for a couple days and give my final review after maybe a week, just so I can give it a fair use case. We'll try it out. My goal is to use this for on the go, like about to go to the gym or gonna go for a walk. Don't need to carry all of my cards with me, sort of thing. And we'll see how it plays out.
Several days later.
So I've been testing the ESR MagSafe wallet stand for a couple days now, and I have some thoughts. For the positives, first and foremost, it's not that bulky. It's slick, it's utilitarian, it offers the kickstand functionality. Having the directional magnet down here is really helpful for aligning so it doesn't go over the camera and block the camera. The design of it is really nice. On top of that, it was nice to just run out the door and not have to do the standard phone, keys, wallet check. It was just phone and keys. So that was pretty cool. I do have some negatives about it though. Unfortunately, it wasn't always seamless when I would add it on to the phone. Like I said before, the positives, it's great that it has the directional magnet, but oftentimes if I was just throwing it on the device, it wasn't perfectly aligned, and part of the tip of the leather would just be blocking my bottom camera lens. The biggest thing that I was not a fan of was how uncomfortable it was in my pants pocket. It was great if I was just throwing it in my gym bag or something, but when I had to go out and about, if I had it in my coat pocket, it was okay. Once it was in my jeans, not so much. At the end of all of my testing, I didn't love this product. It is honestly probably the best MagSafe wallet on the market. It can hold so many more cards than other ones can. The magnet was very strong, but it just wasn't for me and what I think a MagSafe wallet should do. In my point of view, the ultimate utility for MagSafe wallet is being slim. I know that this comes at the expense of holding more cards, but the goal of this is to eliminate the headache of carrying a wallet altogether. It's not supposed to eliminate one thing, but make the other thing, like a phone, that much more of a burden to carry. Also, it's just tough because this is the MagSafe wallet without any cards in it, and this is my standard card holder with 8 cards in it, and it's not that much bigger. So for me, the slightly thicker but carries twice the capability versus the same thickness almost with half the capability and making my phone a lot more uncomfortable to use, it's not worth the trade-off. After all this testing, although I'll say it's an excellent product in and of itself, it's just not for me. This is Konstantinos with Konstantinos Tech. Thanks for tuning in.